Hello, I hope you are doing well. In this video I am going to explain how to install WordPress. Well, first you have to enter this site Infinityfree.net, select manage, hit control panel. Now you have to go down and press right here. Then hit install. Here you have to select quick install. Then you have to type your site name. Then you have to type an username, password and email. And finally you have to click install. Well, after the installation, this will be the link that you will have to use to enter to the settings of the WordPress. You just have to hit here. Thanks a lot for watching the video. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comments. In the next video I am going to explain how to install the SSL certificate. Remember to subscribe to not miss my next video. Here there is another video that might interest you. I hope you have an excellent day. Bye.